Whoa, that was a good blast off, huh? We lost half our rocket, but it was a good one. Who are these over here again, Weston?
Yeah.
Who are they?
That's the astronaut.
That's the cow and the astronaut? Alright. It's the first cow to ever go to the moon, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I made put. I think this makes good. And here, and I need put this on. Ooh, I can put. And I need to put this one and this one. Now this time astronaut in there. 5, 4. Little back. And this one. 2 now. It's fine. I knew this red one. Yeah, I knew this red one. I didn't like this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
You need some help? Okay, let's see. The fire came out, didn't it?
Yeah, that's out. I better put it back.
Yeah, get it ready for the next launch.
Did the down different one. And now I can put the blue auto thing right here. And